Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Minecraft game on your Android device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Google Play Store on your device. And once you open it up, just tap on the search box and then type in Minecraft and start your search. Once you find the Minecraft game, go ahead and tap on it and you will now see the buy button where you will also see the price. You can tap on the given price and now you will be asked to proceed forward with your payment method. Tap on add credit or debit card if you don't already have a payment method added to your Google Play, or you can proceed forward with your saved payment method. And after finalizing your transaction, the game will begin downloading on your device. Once the download is completed, you will see the play button instead of the price or the buy button. Just tap on this and now you can start playing the Minecraft game on your Android device right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Minecraft game on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.